Every year, Kelley Blue Book assembles a list of the top family cars. We analyze road manners, safety, cargo space, child seat readiness, general usability, and, of course, value to identify superior SUVs and minivans ideally suited to family duty. Heads up, for 2018, we're once again focusing on mainstream SUVs and minivans, but just to be clear, depending on your needs, a luxury SUV or family sedan could be the best choice. With that out of the way, here's a brief look at this year's winners. Starting with a new face, we have the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. A full 400 pounds lighter than the previous Equinox, the latest version is a fine-driving, tastefully styled, and thoroughly practical compact SUV. Beyond standards like push-button start and a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Chevy also offers a 360-degree camera system and an engine lineup that includes a highly efficient 1.6-liter diesel that returns 39 highway mpg and a 2-liter turbo mill delivering a robust 252 horsepower. Well-rounded and well-sorted, the Equinox is a great ride for small families. In similar fashion, the popular Honda CR-V joins our list yet again, with its quick-release flat-folding second-row seats, multi-level cargo floor, and spacious rear quarters that accommodate rear-facing child seats without ruining legroom up front. Easy to drive, efficient, safe, and offering outstanding resale values, the Honda CR-V is an easy SUV to recommend. Lightly updated for 2018, the Subaru Outback offers more than 73 cubic feet of cargo space, 8.7 inches of ground clearance, and standard all-wheel drive, making it a fantastic choice for outdoorsy, adventure-seeking families. A refined ride, good fuel economy, a freshly updated interior, and available EyeSight active driver assist technology round out Subaru's supremely functional wagon. Moving up to mid-size SUVs, we have the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. For larger families, its 8-passenger capacity, spacious cargo hold, smart slide second-row seat, and countless storage nooks are a major boon. Meanwhile, the standard teen driver feature allows wary parents to monitor the driving habits of their youngins. The all-new 2018 Chevy Traverse is a welcome addition to our family car list. Not only does the Honda Pilot grace this year's family car list, it also scored our coveted midsize SUV Best Buy award for 2018. Driving that win is a thoughtfully crafted interior that can seat up to 8 actual adults, along with plenty of cargo behind them. Efficient, roomy, safe, and rich with value, the Honda Pilot is a top choice if you need a 3-row SUV. At the same time, the 3-row Toyota Highlander remains a top seller. Reliability and resale values figure into the Highlander's popularity, but families in particular will appreciate its 8-passenger cabin, nearly flat-folding second and third-row seats, handy in-dash storage area, spacious cargo area, and efficient optional hybrid powertrain. Smartly designed and handsome, with low long-term ownership costs, Toyota's midsizer is a smart SUV buy. A new addition to our family car list is the all-new 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. VW might be late to the mid-size SUV game, but the Atlas has quickly established itself as a frontrunner in the category, in large part because it's, well, large. For instance, the tallest member of our editorial staff, Rich, who's 6'5", fits just fine in the rearmost seats. Even with its maximum 7 passengers aboard, a respectable 20.6 cubic feet of cargo space remains. Size aside, the Atlas has macho style, is satisfying to drive, and features a long 6-year 72,000-mile warranty. It might be new to the SUV game, but the VW Atlas deserves a look. What if you need room for 9 people, like to tow, and occasionally venture off-road? Then the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe is a good choice, with its strong body-on-frame construction, available 4-wheel drive, and 8,600-pound tow capacity. For 2018, the Tahoe lineup has expanded with a sub-$45,000 Tahoe custom model and a racier RST trim rocking a 420-horsepower V8. Otherwise, the standard Tahoe marches on with a capable 355-horsepower V8, a quiet cabin, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For big family fun, the Chevy Tahoe is a big winner. If you prefer the blue oval, have we got an SUV for you? The 2018 Ford Expedition. It's roughly 300 pounds lighter than the previous model, with an independent rear suspension that delivers superior ride quality while also improving third-row roominess. Powering the Expedition is a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 and 10-speed automatic transmission combo. Producing up to 400 horsepower, the EcoBoost V6 is powerful and yet returns up to 24 highway mpg. Smart, spacious, and richly equipped, the Ford Expedition is a seriously good full-size ride. Minivans might seem lame, but beneath their practical facade hides some of the smartest design and coolest tech on the road. Take the Chrysler Pacifica. Its second-row stow-and-go seats feature a cantilevered arrangement for enhanced third-row foot space, and for cargo hauling, they fold completely into the floor. You can also equip the Pacifica with foot-activated sliding side doors, a 360-degree camera system, and there's even a plug-in hybrid version that can cover more than 30 miles without using any gasoline while also being eligible for a $7,500 federal tax credit. Easy to live with and a pleasure to drive, the Chrysler Pacifica exemplifies smart minivan design. Another fine minivan choice is the 2018 Toyota Sienna. It's getting on in years, but the current generation Sienna offers some nice enhancements for 2018, including lightly revised styling and a new 8-speed automatic transmission. Among the Sienna's core strengths are flexible seating for up to 8, a wealth of child seat latch points, and Driver Easy Speak, which amplifies the driver's voice for rear seat passengers. Boasting excellent resale values and solid reliability, the Sienna is also the only minivan offered with all-wheel drive. Fear not, winter drivers, the Sienna has your back. Rounding out our family car list is the all-new 2018 Honda Odyssey, a vehicle we've described as maybe the best family car in the world. That bold statement is backed up by effortless driving dynamics, top-tier roominess and functionality, and advanced safety tech. Speaking of, aside from the lowest LX trim, all Odysseys come standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of active driver aids that bundles adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Primo reliability and resale values further bolster the Odyssey's stellar reputation. Blending robust safety, handy technologies, and a cleverly arranged cabin, the Honda Odyssey represents the pinnacle of family car greatness. And with those lofty words, let's conclude our best family cars of 2018. For a deeper dive into what made these vehicles so superbly family-worthy, check out our complete coverage on kbb.com. And if you're looking to buy a car, for your family or otherwise, Kelley Blue Book is here to help.